Dear students of Begum Rahim Islam College, how are you? I am fine and I hope you are all well. I am Mukta Begum, lecturer in English, Begum Rahim Islam College, Shoshibhushan Corporation Bola. Last online class I was taking about preposition from English second paper. I discussed what is preposition and its classifications, and also discussed what is simple prepositions and double prepositions. Now I will discuss about compound prepositions, phrase prepositions, participle prepositions, disguised prepositions and another detached prepositions. Dear students, now we start compound preposition. What is compound preposition? Compound preposition is the conjunction of a non-prepositional word and a simple preposition like due to, as far. Compound preposition, simple preposition is the one-word preposition. A preposition can also come in a two-word or a three-word combination, which is called a compound preposition. A compound preposition functions as a single preposition. It consists of two or three words such as according to, similar to, because of, as far, different from, behind, between, due to, instead of, out of, short of, etc. Example of compound prepositions. Two-word compound prepositions. At first, according to. For example, according to his mother, he often talked in his sleep. In this sentence, according to is compound prepositions. Next example, as of. As of next week, all of you will eat less to lose weight. Here, as of, this is called compound prepositions. Next, aside from. Her face was perfect aside from that unhairy mole. In this sentence, aside from, that is called compound preposition. Next example, because of. The bugs fought hard and it's all because of a dog. Here, the word because of is compound preposition. Next, instead of. We waste a lot of time arguing instead of agreeing. In this sentence, instead of, that is called compound prepositions. Next example, next to. The detective did not know he was sitting next to a wanted man. Here, next to, this is compound preposition. At last, out of. Sometimes my grandfather carved pictures out of my magazines. In this sentence, that is out of, that is called compound preposition. Now we say that three-word compound prepositions. For example, as far as. The explanation could be heard as far as 5 kilometers away. In this sentence, as far as, this is called three-word compound preposition. Next example, in addition to. We keep 5 dogs in addition to 2 cats. Here the word in addition to, this is called 3 word compound prepositions. Next, in front of, it's his habit to doze off in front of the television. Here in front of, this is called compound prepositions. They continued with their search and rescue mission in spite of the bad weather. In this sentence, in spite of, this is called 3 word compound prepositions. Next, on account of, he cannot sing anymore on account of his failing health. Here on account of, this is called 3 word compound preposition. At last the blizzards carried fails of water on top of their heads. In this sentence, on top of, this is called compound preposition. Next, we start what is phrase preposition. A prepositional phrase is a group of words consisting of a preposition, its objects and any words that modify the objects. Most of the time, a prepositional phrase modifies a verb or a noun. These two kinds of prepositional phrase are called adverbial phrases and adjectival phrases, respectively. Example of phrase prepositions: in front of, on account of, by means of, and instead of. Now we see what is participle preposition. A participle preposition is a participle an, ed or ing verb that punctuations as a prepositions. Some of the most common examples are assuming, bearing, considering, during, given, not, withstanding, provided, regarding, and respected, etc. Example of participle preposition such as considering, according, assuming, concerning, regarding, speaking, and walking. For example, we saw the people walking past him. In this sentence, walking is participle preposition. Next, considering his age, he was pardoned. In this sentence, considering is participle preposition. Dear students, I hope you are understanding my online class. Now we learn about disguised prepositions and another detached prepositions. Disguised preposition by can be changed into be, on into a, and off can be changed into o. For example, 5 o'clock. Disguised preposition. Disguised prepositions are those that are not used in the sentence but are implied. Unique examples of disguised prepositions are the letters a and o. Here a stands for the shortened form of the preposition on and o stands for the shortened form of the preposition. Example of disguised preposition: it is 6 o'clock. In this sentence, o that is called disguised preposition. Next example, he went a hunting. This is example of detached preposition. Dear students, now we learn another preposition that is called detached preposition. A detached preposition is a preposition which is related to an interrogative pronoun or interrogative adverb or relative pronoun or relative adverb but sites at end of the sentence, such as in, for, from, with, to, at and etc. Example of detached preposition. What is Begum Rohim Islam College famous for? In this sentence, for is detached preposition. Next example, what purpose will he come on? Here, on is detached preposition. I will end here today. In the next online class, I will speak in Bengali for easy understanding. See you next online class. Until then, stay home, stay well, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.